This trip is called the Real Break trip, which consists of 2 snorkel points, dolphin watching, local island visit, which will be for 20 minutes by the beach to see the stingrays. And for our last point, we will be going to the sandbank where we will be having lunch. So today's first point will be dolphin watching in River Lagoon. From here to our first point, it will take like 20 to 25 minutes. So first, dolphin watching in River Lagoon. Second, local island visit, which is in Lao atoll called Pulido. Third, the shark point. Fourth, shipwreck. And the last point, we will go to the sandbank where we will have lunch and take the drone food for the people who have booked for the drone. So please try to follow the instructions that we give on board, and while driving, no guests are allowed at the front. And we do have a toilet on board. Even if you use the toilet, please do not put tissue paper inside and flush it. If one person puts the tissue paper, then other people also don't use the toilet. Okay? Don't. And each point when we reach, we'll give you a briefing over there. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. जेल देखे केमन लगे।